But inflation is still winning the darn race. But we do have to look for anything to suggest we could someday get these problems under control, don't we? Because that's the only thing that will stop the Federal Reserve from pummeling the economy with a rapid series of rate hikes that we all fear, which makes it so we feel that this rally is doomed. There are some significant green shoots on the deflationary side, though. Now, for instance, if you caught the Colgate call, I know you probably did. I like Colgate conference call on Friday. Within the catalog of ever-increasing raw cost woes, management dropped a real bombshell. CEO Noel Wallace, a hitter, got a question about margins and said, quote, "We have developed our plans based on spot rates today, and we expect those spot rates to hold and begin to moderate towards the back half of 2022. So you see the raw materials potentially peak in the first quarter and then stabilize, potentially moderate in the back half." Wow! Holy cow, this is the kind of statement that's totally antithetical to all the hand-wringing we've been hearing from the food and consumer packaged goods inflation companies. Well, no one is thinking that raw costs are peaking other than Colgate. But then again, Colgate is that he's the head of one of the largest consumer product companies in the world. He's not a dope. He knows something. Hey, how about the semi shortage, right? Semiconductors. Did you know the actual cost of the most basic of semis, the ones that are in short supply? Well, they're already starting to fall. Why? Because the shortage is easing up. Hey, get this. Stanley Black & Decker, which has a gigantic problem getting the larger chips than the DRAMs or the or flash, they're now expecting full availability come the next quarter. Now, we all know our port congestion problems are still the bane of our existence. Stanley Black & Decker thinks they may be worsening. But the more I dig into this issue, the more I believe these problems are man-made. Europe's putting port congestion behind it. I don't know if you saw the big numbers that we got from the continent. The large port owners and shippers are working with very powerful unions to get things moving again much faster than we are. Why can't we do the same? Why can't President Biden knock some heads and start getting back cargoes, the ones that are just sitting out there, unloaded 24/7? America has the weakest unions of nearly any developed country. If the Netherlands can get the longshoremen to cooperate, so can we.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.